important 1 mark questions பற்றி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். இது வந்து லெசன் நம்பர் 11. நான் லெசன் நம்பர் 1 to 10 வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். அந்த வீடியோ வந்து நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. அது எல்லாமே வந்து புக்கில் இருக்கிறது இல்லை, புக்குக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற கண்டென்ட்டில் இந்த 1 மார்க்லாம் கேட்கறதுக்கான சான்சஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்றதுக்காக தான் நான் அப்படி வீடியோ பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணேன். ஸோ வந்து அது புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கிடையாது, அந்த லெசன்ஸ் வைஸ் கிடையாது, இது வந்து சாப்டர் வைஸ். ஸோ கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிக்காதீங்க. ஸோ இப்போ லெசன் நம்பர் 11 வந்து என்னன்றது பார்த்துடலாம். Topic: choose the correct answer. Question number 1. What is acronyms of DBMS, that is Database Management System? Your answer is option C, Database Management System. Question number 2. A table is known as, your answer is option C, relation. Question number 3. Which database model represent parent-child relationship? Your answer is option C, hierarchical. Question number 4. Relational database model was first proposed by, your answer is option A, E.F. Codd. Question number 5. What type of relationship does hierarchical model represent? Your answer is option B, one to many. Question number 6. Who is called father of relational database from the following? Your answer is option C, Edgar Frank Codd. Question number 7. Which of the following is an RDBMS? Your answer is option D, structure correlate. Question number 8. A tuple is known as, your answer is option B, row. Question number 9. Who developed ER model? Your answer is option A, Chen. Next lesson number 11 la irukra additional 1 mark questions பத்தி பார்த்திரலாம். Which of the following is the organized collection of data? Your answer is option D, database. Question number 2. Which of the following is an organized collection of data which can be stored and searched through computer system? Your answer is option A, database. Question number 3. Which of the following a data contain? Your answer is option C, word. Question number 4. In which of the following data organized in a way that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated? Your answer is option A, database. Question number 5. Which of the following can be a software or hardware based with one sole purpose of storing data? Your answer is option B, database. Question number 6. Expand DBMS. Your answer is option C, database management system. Question number 7. Which of the following allows users to store, process and analyze data easily? Your answer is option D, data models. Question number 8. Which of the following provided an interface to perform various operations to create a database, storing and updating data? Your answer is option C, DBMS. Question number 9. Which of the following provides protection and security to the database? Your answer is option B, database management system. Question number 10. Which of the following is not an example of DBMS? Your answer is option C, COBOL. Question number 11. Which of the following makes the data more meaningful and connected in the database? Your answer is option C, relationship. Question number 12. Which of the following divides the data in such a way that repetition of data is minimum in the database? Your answer is option B, normalization. Question number 13. Which of the following characteristics of database management system become a challenge? Your answer is option C, data consistency. Question number 14. How many major components are there in DBMS? Your answer is option A, 5. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a DBMS component? Your answer is option D, data model. Question number 16. Which of the following database management system components controls everything in a database? Your answer is option B, Square. Question number 17. Which of the following database management system components that manage databases to take backups, report and generation? Your answer is option D, procedures. Question number 18. Which of the following used to write commands to update and delete data stored in database? Your answer is option C, database access language. Question number 19. Each row in a table represents your answer is option B, record. Question number 20. Which of the following in a table represent a record? Your answer is option A, row. Question number 21. Which of the following in a table represent a column? Your answer is option B, column. Question number 22. Which of the following groups data among records, specific categories or types of data? Your answer is option C, field. Question number 23. How the data can be represented and accessed from a software after complete implementation described by? Your answer is option A, data model. Question number 24. Which of the following is a simple abstraction of complex real world data gathering environment? Your answer is option D, data model. Question number 25. How many types of data models are there? Your answer is option C, 5. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a type of data model? Your answer is option D, redundancy model. Question number 27. Which of the following model was developed by IBM? Your answer is option B, hierarchical model. Question number 28. IBM developed a hierarchical model as? Your answer is option C, information management system. Question number 29. In which data model data is represented as a simple tree like structure form? Your answer is option A, hierarchical model. Question number 30. Which of the following data model is mainly used in IBM mainframe computers? Your answer is option B, hierarchical. Question number 31. In which year relational database model was first proposed? Your answer is option D, 1970. Question number 32. The basic structure of data in relational model is? Your answer is option A, tables. Question number 33. Which of the following is the most data model used for database appreciation? Your answer is option C, relational. Question number 34. Which of the following database model is an extended form of hierarchical data model? Your answer is option B, network. Question number 35. Network database model represents the data in which of the relationship? Your answer is option C, many to many. Question number 36. Which data model is easier and faster in accessing the data? Your answer is option B, network. Question number 37. In which database model the relationships are created by dividing the object into entity? Your answer is option A, ER model. Question number 38. ER model was developed in the year? Your answer is option C, 1976. Question number 39. Which of the following database model is useful in developing a conceptual design for the database? Your answer is option D, ER model. Question number 40. Which database model is simple and easy to design logical view of data? Your answer is option B, ER model. Question number 41. Which of the following data model stores the data in the form of attributes and methods? Your answer is option D, all of this, that is relational, object and ER model. Question number 42. Object model stores the data in the form of? Your answer is option D, all of this, that is objects, attributes and methods and classes and inheritance. Question number 43. GIS expansion is? Your answer is option A, Geographic Information System. Question number 44. Which of the following data model handles Geographic Information System? Your answer is option A, object. Question number 45. Which data model used in file management system? Your answer is option D, none of this. Question number 46. How many types of database management system users are there? Your answer is option C, 4. Question number 47. DBA, that is Database Administration Expansion is, your answer is option B, Database Administrators. Question number 48. Who takes care of the security of database management system? Your answer is option A, DBA, that is Database Administrators. Question number 49. Who manages the complete database management system? Your answer is option B, DBA, that is Database Administrator. Question number 50. Who are the one responsible for identifying the data to be stored in the database? Your answer is option D, Database Designers. Question number 51. RDBMS expansion is? Your answer is option C, Relational Database Management System. Question number 52. Which of the following is not a RDBMS software? Your answer is option D, Fox Pro. Question number 53. Find the odd man out. Your answer is option D, DBase, that is database. Question number 54. Find the odd man out. Your answer is option B, data model. Question number 55. Database normalization was first proposed by? Your answer is option C, Edgar I.F. Cobb. Question number 56. The rule reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity is known as? Your answer is option B, E.F. Codd rule. Question number 57. How many types of relationship used in a database? Your answer is option D, 4. Question number 58. One classroom has many students is an example of a relationship? Your answer is option B, one to many. Question number 59. Which of the following was used to modeling the data stored in relational database? Your answer is option C, relational algebra. Question number 60. Relational algebra is used to query the database tables using? Your answer is option B, SQL, that is structured query language. Question number 61. Expansion of SQL is? Your answer is option D, structured query language. Question number 62. Which operation is used for selecting a subset with tuples according to a condition? Your answer is option A, select. Question number 63. Which of the following defines a relation that contains a vertical subset of relation? Your answer is option D, project. Question number 64. Which of the following removes the duplicate rows in database? Your answer is option B, project. Next lesson number 11 la irukra fill in the blanks பத்தி discuss பண்ணிரலாம். Question number 1. The term dash is used to refer to any of the DBMS. Your answer is option B, database. So the term database is used to refer to any of the DBMS. Question number 2. Dash is formatted data. Your answer is option C, information. So information is formatted data. Question number 3. When the data is processed, it gives a meaningful dash. Your answer is option B, information. So when the data is processed, it gives a meaningful information. Question number 4. Dash is a repository collection of related data. Your answer is option D, database. So database is a repository collection of related data. Question number 5. A dash is a software used to create, store and manipulate database. Your answer is option B, DBMS. So a DBMS is a software used to create, store and manipulate database. Question number 6. In database, the data stored in dash. Your answer is option A, tables. So in database, the table of data can be stored. Question number 7. Dash is the entire collection of related data. Your answer is option D, table or file. So table or file is the entire collection of related data. Question number 8. In dash where the data is organized as row and column. Your answer is option C, file or table. So file or table is the data is organized as row and column. Question number 9. Hierarchical model represent a dash relationship. Your answer is option C, or to many. So hierarchy model represent a or to many relationship. Question number 10. A database table is known as dash. Your answer is option A, relation. So a database table is known as relation. Question number 11. A table row is known as dash. Your answer is option D, tuple. So a table row is known as tuple. Question number 12. A table column is known as dash. Your answer is option B, attribute. So a table column is known as attributes. Question number 13. Dash are also known as relations in a relational model. Your answer is option B, tables. So tables are also known as relationship in a relational model. Question number 14. All the information is related to a particular type is stored in dash of the table. Your answer is option C, rows. So all the information is related to a particular type is stored in rows of the table. Question number 15. A relation key is a key which uniquely identifies a particular dash. Your answer is option C, tuples. So a relation key is a key which uniquely identifies a particular tuples. Question number 16. A dash is an attribute which uniquely identifies a particular tuple. Your answer is option A, relation key. So a relation key is an attribute which uniquely identifies a particular tuple. Question number 17. Each column in a table represents a dash. Your answer is option C, field. So each column in a table represents a field. Question number 18. Dash database model is an extended form of hierarchical data model. Your answer is option D, network. So network database model is an extended form of hierarchical data model. Question number 19. Dash data model provides a clear modular structure of a data. Your answer is option A, object. So object data model provides a clear modular structure of a data. Question number 20. Doctor and patient is an example of dash database model. Your answer is option A, ER model. So doctor and patient is an example of ER model database model. Question number 21. In dash data model, the data stores in the form of classes and inheritance. Your answer is option C, object. So in object data model, the data stores in the form of classes and inheritance. Question number 22. Dash is a computer based record keeping system. Your answer is option C, DBMS. So DBMS is a computer based record keeping system. Question number 23. Relational algebra was first created by dash. Your answer is option A, EF Chord. So relational algebra was first created by EF Chord. Question number 24. Dash are the one who store, retrieve, update and delete data. Your answer is option D, end user. So end user are the one who stores, retrieve, update and delete data. Next video la unit number 12 பத்தி நம்ம discuss பண்ணிரலாம். Thanks for watching this video.